Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the ultimate cheat code of cheat codes. This one's so good. You're about to become mom's favorite. Yes, buddy. So, in honor of Mother's Day, I am going to show you today how to use ChatGPT to write a beautiful customized letter to your mother. In just one click, and I promise you are going to melt her heart, and you're going to save this video and share with as many people as possible. Okay, let's get started. So, you're gonna go snackprompt.com and search one-click Mother's Day letter. And you're going to fill out her favorite song, her name and favorite memories, and some lessons that she taught you. You can type in one word or more. Once you're done, just click copy and simply paste into ChatGPT. Then hit enter. Voila! It even includes a poem that rhymes with her name. So, go do it. You're about to make the greatest comeback of all time. You're about to become mom's favorite, and you can thank me later. Make sure to keep sharing the wealth. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for more amazing content.